When it comes to enhancing the security, curb appeal, and functionality of your home or office, a new door can make all the difference. Whether you're installing a front entryway, patio door, or interior door, ensuring that the installation is handled professionally is crucial to getting the best results. In Colombia, where weather changes can impact the longevity of doors, hiring an experienced professional to install your door ensures durability and efficiency. Here's a step-by-step guide to the professional door installation process that will help you understand what to expect and how to prepare for a smooth installation experience. Step 1. Selecting the right door for your needs. The first step in the process is choosing the right door for your space. Professionals can help guide you through the different types of doors available, including wooden, fiberglass, steel, and glass options. Factors to consider when choosing a door include the style, material, and security features that meet your needs. If you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal, a stylish, well-designed entry door can significantly improve the exterior of your home. For enhanced security, steel doors are a popular choice, as they offer superior protection. If energy efficiency is a priority, consider doors with thermal insulation or weatherproof features. Step 2. Measuring and planning. Once you've selected the right door, the next step is to measure the space where the door will be installed. Accurate measurements are essential to ensure that the new door fits properly into the frame. A professional installer will take precise measurements of the door frame's height, width, and depth to ensure that the door and frame are compatible. In Colombia, where seasonal weather conditions can vary dramatically, this step is particularly important to ensure that your door will withstand humidity, rain, or snow, and maintain its insulation properties. A professional will also check if any adjustments need to be made to the frame or if additional materials, such as weather stripping, are necessary for a tight seal. Step 3. Removing the old door. If you're replacing an existing door, the installer will carefully remove the old one. This process includes taking out the door frame, hardware, and any weatherproofing materials. Professionals use specialized tools to ensure that the surrounding wall or frame isn't damaged during the removal process. After removing the old door, the installer will assess the condition of the door frame to check for any structural damage that may need repairing before the new door is installed. This is particularly important in older homes or buildings in Colombia where humidity can cause wood frames to warp or deteriorate. Step 4. Installing the new door. With the old door removed and the area prepared, it's time for the installation of the new door. Professionals will place the new door into the frame and make sure it's aligned properly. This process includes leveling the door to ensure it opens and closes smoothly without any gaps or difficulty. Depending on the type of door, the installer will secure it in place with screws or other fasteners and install the appropriate hinges, handles, and locks. This is also the stage where weatherproofing elements, like door sweeps and seals, are added to ensure that the door is energy efficient and provides a tight seal against the elements. Step 5. Final adjustments and inspection. Once the door is securely installed, the professional installer will make any necessary adjustments to ensure the door operates smoothly. This includes adjusting the door's swing, checking the locks, and testing the door's ability to open and close with ease. The installer will also inspect the door frame to make sure that it is properly sealed, with no gaps that could lead to drafts, moisture, or pests. The final inspection also includes cleaning up the installation area and disposing of any debris from the old door. A professional installer will ensure that the job site is left clean and that all aspects of the installation meet industry standards. Step 6. Enjoying your new door. After installation is complete, you can enjoy the benefits of a brand new, high-quality door. Whether you've chosen a sleek, modern design or a traditional wooden door, your space will be transformed with a fresh look, enhanced security, and improved energy efficiency. Your door will also be better equipped to handle Colombia's weather conditions, ensuring that it lasts for many years to come. Conclusion. Professional door installation in Colombia is an investment in both the appearance and functionality of your home or business. By working with a qualified installer, you ensure that your door is properly selected, measured, and installed to the highest standards. From increased security to improved energy efficiency and curb appeal, the benefits of a professionally installed door are clear. Following these steps will help you understand the process and ensure a smooth, hassle-free installation experience.